Hello students, today we are going to study about the types of forces. As we have studied, for a force to be effective, two objects must be in contact with each other. अगर two bodies आपस में contact में होंगी, then only the force will act on the body. So on the basis of interaction, forces may be categorized as contact and non-contact forces. First we'll be doing about the contact forces. Those forces in which two interacting body are in physical contact with each other. Contact word से clear है कि जब दो bodies आपस में physical contact में होंगे, उन forces को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Contact forces. These forces are applied with connectors like stick, rope. So there are different examples of contact forces. First is your muscular force. The force exerted by muscles of the body to do work is known as muscular force. Here you can see is example of a weightlifter. It lifts the weights. You lift your school bag. Bullocks or horses pull carts. Workers at construction site carry bricks. These all are the examples of muscular forces. In this, two objects, they are in physical contact with each other, so they come under the contact force. Next contact force is the frictional force. The force that opposes the motion of an object is called friction. It is the force that slows things, prevents things from moving. When you move on road, your footwears and the road, they are in contact with each other. Driving a vehicle, tires of the vehicles and the road, they are in contact with each other. So this forces arises due to contact between surfaces. So this force comes under example of contact force. Now next is non-contact forces. Non-contact word means those forces which do not make any physical contact with the body and act through some space, that is known as non-contact forces. So example of non-contact force, first is magnetic force. The force which is exerted by magnet on certain metals like iron is called magnetic force. When we take a magnet near the iron, it attracts, but they are not being in contact with each other. दूर से ही वो क्या है, आपस में अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. Hence it is a non-contact force. They have taken, you can see in the diagram, they have taken a magnet, and when this magnet is brought near the iron nails, it attracts. You will observe that iron nails get pulled toward the magnet even when they are at a little distance. So this force is a non-contact force. Magnet that can lift scraps of iron from the garbage in dump areas. This is a usefulness, or you can say advantage of magnetic force. Next is gravitational force. It is a force with which any two objects attract each other. If we throw apple in upward direction, it is always pulled in downward direction with the gravitational force, even when they are with some distance. So we can only feel it when an object trying to pull us has a significant mass. Force of attraction by a chain or table or any other small objects around, because their mass is inefficient to apply enough gravitational force. They have taken example, when you throw a ball, it always attracted towards the ground. That is due to the gravitational force. So gravity is the force with which the earth attracts objects towards itself. A ball thrown upward always comes down. Water begins to flow downward as soon as we open a tap. So these are all the examples of gravitational force. Thus weight is a measure of Earth's gravitational pull on Earth. When you weigh an object using a spring balance, you measure the Earth's gravitational force on the object. आपने याद रखना है मून में हमेशा वेट जो है दैट विल बी लेस देन दैट ऑन द अर्थ। और कितना लेस होता है? 3 times मोर ऑन जुपिटर बिकॉज मून हैज़ लेस मास देन द अर्थ, हैंस लेसर फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी इन द जुपिटर हैज़ मोर मास। जितनी फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी कम होएगी जब ऑब्जेक्ट का मास क्या होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा होएगा, और ग्रेटर फोर्स मास ज़्यादा होगा तो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी क्या होगी? कम होगी। This they have taken example, hook attached to a rubber band small stone. मास कम है तो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी भी क्या होगी? कम हो गई। यहाँ पे हमने लार्ज स्टोन अटैच किया है, ठीक है। रबर बैंड इज स्ट्रेच्ड मोर और हैंगिंग ऑन अ बिग स्टोन, ज़्यादा बड़ा मास है तो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी भी क्या होगी? ज़्यादा होगी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, the force which is exerted by a charged body to another uncharged और electrostatic का मतलब क्या है? चार्ज के थ्रू। when the force is generated with the help of some charged, that is known as electrostatic force। चार्ज जो है वो आपस में अट्रैक्ट भी कर सकते हैं या रिपेल भी कर सकते हैं। you can this example you can do in your homes when you rub a comb on a dry hair, वो क्या हो जाती है? चार्ज हो जाती है, एंड इट अट्रैक्ट्स अ स्मॉल पीसेज ऑफ पेपर ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय कॉम विदाउट टचिंग द पीसेज ऑफ पेपर। दूर से ही जो है पेपर जो है दैट अट्रैक्ट्स टूवर्ड्स द कॉम विद सम स्मॉल डिस्टेंस एक्सर्टेड बाय द कॉम एंड द पेपर, सो द फोर्स एक्टिंग इज फ्रॉम अ डिस्टेंस, हेंस इट इज़ अ नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स। Gravitational force always attract the object, whereas magnetic in electrostatic force वो हमेशा क्या कॉज करता है? they may cause repulsion also। Gravitational force is always attractive force, but magnetic और जो आपकी है electrostatic force they may attract as well as repel। और फोर्स का जो सिंबल है हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? फोर्स को कैपिटल F से। और यूनिट्स ऑफ फोर्स जो हैं दैट इज़ न्यूटन, याद रखने आपने, दैट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल N। तो डायरेक्शन इन विच द बॉडी इज पुश्ड और पुल्ड इज़ कॉल्ड डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स अप्लाइड। सो एनीथिंग पुश और पुल जो है फोर्स दैट इज़ नोन एज फोर्स। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।